Hello everyone! For this midterm I decided to focus on Brightstorm.com. So what is Brightstorm? Well, Brightstorm is a website geared towards high school students. This website provides resources for math, science, and English subjects, as well as SAT, ACT, and college prep courses. On the website you'll find things like who Brightstorm is and the materials that they offer. In terms of what the website actually looks like, its navigation is pretty simple. On its main page, it has a toolbar that allows you to look at the type of courses it offers. When you pick a subject, it then allows you to go through a list of subtopics within the general concept in order to match up what you're really trying to learn. After that, you'll find videos based on the topic you chose. In terms of what I learned, I looked up finding the slope of a line. The videos were simple to get to and were split up starting from concepts to examples. They also have explanations at the bottom of the videos, that way it's easy to know what the video is about and what you should take away from the lesson, more or less. Brightstorm very much mirrors what the Week 4 readings and videos are all about in terms of a flipped classroom. Now this doesn't mean a literal flipped classroom. A flipped classroom is when students learn lectures and lecture concepts at home, usually through videos made by the teacher, and then hold discussions and more one-on-one time with a teacher in the actual classroom. Brightstorm has similar features with the readings because the online lectures that they offer to students are basically what they would learn in the classroom. The only issue here is that although the flipped classroom lectures are always accessible, some videos associated with Brightstorm have a small fee. That doesn't mean, however, that the site is no good, because it actually is really beneficial. It just means not all videos can be completely accessible. Brightstorm reflects a trend in education that's flipping the classroom. As we have seen, flipping the classroom has really taken off, and in some schools is the main way classrooms are taught. It is said that this method of teaching is preferable because students get to discuss with their peers about what they learned or may have questions on. Not only that, but the teachers themselves become freed up to join in on discussions and be more available to the students who need help. Brightstorm offers educational videos that discuss the same concepts learned in the schools, just online. With the increase in flipped classrooms, it would come as no surprise if teachers use this site as the main lesson. With all the educational videos it offers, Brightstorm can be implemented and used in the classroom in 3 different ways. As a form of extra support outside of the classroom, a means to have discussions in class, and a resource for applying to college and learning helpful tips for exams. For the first implementation, Brightstorm is beneficial in providing extra support outside of the classroom. Here students are able to look back at videos based on what they've learned and see how examples are solved if they need help. This helps because not all students ask questions in class, so the video is able to supplement that and answer any unanswered questions, especially after class. For the second use, it helps spark discussion because students get to learn the material at home and come to class not only with prior knowledge, but also with any questions that they may have on the material. It also helps teachers realize which students are actually struggling with the material instead of trying to hide behind other students. As for the third, Brightstorm offers a form of helping with college prep and college and AP exams. This is a valuable resource because not all students have access to this type of help, especially if coming from low-income schools. Generally, Brightstorm is simple, resourceful, and a huge benefit in the classroom. Thank you.